Hi guys, welcome to my cooking show. Today I'm going to show you how to make orange glazed salmon. These are the ingredients you're going to need: sweet chili sauce, my homemade fish seasoning, salt, duck sauce, olive oil, crushed red pepper, sugar, orange, rosemary, black pepper. I like to use the fresh rosemary, but I don't have any, so I'm just going in with that. Over here I have my salmon. It's already washed in lemon. Now I'm just pot drying in to get with a paper towel to get the excess water off my salmon. Now here in this bowl I'm gonna put all my dry herbs and seasoning together. I will be combining my seasoning. Now here I'm just gonna put my homemade fish seasoning. That's like 1 teaspoon. Now I'm going to go in with a little black pepper, my rosemary. Normally I use fresh rosemary, but I don't have any today. My salt, my crushed pepper. I will put the ingredients in the description. Now I'm just eyeballing. So now I'm just gonna combine all this seasoning. I'm gonna put it on each side of the fish. I'm gonna season my fish. Put it on each side. Just gonna season my fish like that. My salmon, sorry. I'm just gonna season my salmon on both sides. Season my salmon on both sides. Make sure you get up all that seasoning. And there you have it. Now I will be frying this, and I won't be putting it in the oven. Normally you should put it in the oven, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it on the stove top because cooking can be so simple and easy. Okay guys, now here you can see me putting the oil in the pot. Make sure your pot is at the correct temperature before you put your fish in. Now there you can see me also placing the fish away from me. That's the way to put your fish down when you're frying it so that you won't get burned. Now I'm just gonna fry each side of my fish for 5 to 7 minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over. Now here you can see me flipping my fish to the other side. Make sure your fish is cooked evenly on both sides. I'm just going to put this side for 7 minutes or so. Then I'm going to go ahead and take them out. This is a good color for me, but if you want your fish to be darker, you can go ahead. Now here I'm going to make my orange glaze sauce for my salmon fish. Now I'm going to squeeze half of an orange. If you don't have orange, fresh orange, you can go ahead and use orange juice. Now that is about 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Now I'm gonna go in with my sweet chili sauce. I'm eyeballing this with that measurement. That's about 3 tablespoons of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of duck sauce, 1 teaspoon of white sugar. If you want to add more sugar, you can go ahead, but I'm not trying to sweeten my sauce. I just want to enhance the taste. So 1 teaspoon is good for me. But if you like it to be sweeter, you can go ahead and add more sugar to your like. Now I'm just combining everything together. Now here I'm going in with my cooking wine. I forgot to put that in the ingredients. Actually, there are 3 things I forgot to add to the ingredients at the beginning. But the cooking wine is optional. If you don't have it, that's fine. Here I'm going to put my Mrs. Dash. That's like a teaspoon. Also the cooking wine, I add a teaspoon. Now I'm adding my rosemary. If you have fresh rosemary, you can go ahead and put it on top of your fish when you're cooking it. But here I just put 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my ketchup. 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Now I'm just going to combine all my ingredients. Make sure it's incorporated nicely. Look at that color. It's going to give your salmon fish a nice golden color. This is why you don't want to fry your fish too dark, because it's not blackened salmon you're trying to make. You want to have that nice golden color. Now here I'm just showing you that you can add more of whatever you feel you can enhance the taste to your liking. If you feel like you want to add more ketchup, more sugar, whatever you feel like it need more of, go ahead and add it to your taste. Okay, it's fine. Okay guys, here I have a little oil, butter, and my seasoned blend in the pot. Now I'm just gonna put my orange slice to the side so I can get some flavor from it. Then I'm gonna go ahead. And put my salmon in. Guys, I'm using one hand and it's a bit complicated to hold the camera and do it at the same time. But wait a minute. Okay, so now here I put my salmon in. You can fry it in medium, low. Okay. Okay, now I have my salmon in the pot. Now I'm just gonna put my sauce on it. Now I'm just gonna cover this and let it cook for like 10 minutes. See you in 10 minutes. Now here is my stir-fried vegetable that I'm gonna put on the sides. I am making this, meanwhile my salmon is cooking. Now I'm just gonna take it off and plate my dish. Guys, here's my orange glazed salmon. Look how beautiful that is. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.